Hey, what is up guys, welcome to this video, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free carpentry apps for your Android phone. So if you are looking for the same, then do check out this video till the end. First on our list is Moblo. Here you can see some examples. For creating your one, tap here. Now you can start building your idea. Here it have some tools also, you can check out them. You can take help of AR option. From here, you can manage the language and theme. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our list is Level Tool Bubble Level. This is very helpful for carpenters and woodworkers because sometimes they need accurate center and level for the making of hanging of the wood items. Also, you can make the correction in the leveler. You can lock the levels. In settings, you can manage the sound and language. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Next one is AR Ruler. In this, you can measure the objects virtually. In some aspects, it needs more patience and adjustments. In free version, you can measure line and height, angle and distance. In settings, you can change the units, video timer, manage the autofocus, sticking, and show planes. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is CalcKit. Again we have a great tool. In it, you can get the length in all units by just typing in 1. Edit option is also here. Equation solver is also good. You can solve the right triangle by putting the values. You can check out the tip calculator. Here is the calculator for the heaviest calculations. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.